there diffraction, interference, and next one is what, that is one more is a polarization. Okay, that is indicate what, depends on what the wave nature of the particle, that is most important. Okay, today I want to discuss the next important point about what, spectrum. So, this is also most important, spectrum. After that what, atomic spectrum. Next, atomic spectrum is usually divided into what, one is absorption spectrum, after that what, emission spectrum. The next one is most important, what, line spectrum, means indirectly what we are going to call hydrogen spectrum. Okay, in this part the most important part is what, that is a line spectrum or a hydrogen spectrum. Okay, just see here in this case spectrum. Spectrum means what, this is a very simple, all of you know very well about that. Okay, all of you know very well about rainbow. Okay, rainbow is there, no? Okay, that how rainbow is possible? Rainbow possible means what, that is UV light is there, UV light fall on what, water drops, means what, this sky is containing what, water drops. Okay, white light is fall on the water drops, water drops is act as a prism, water drops is act as a prism. When light is, white light is fall on a prism, automatically it can spread. Okay, that is what we are going to call spectrum, means indirectly what, there is a diffraction takes place. Okay, just here in this case spectrum means when a ray of white light, in this case which they are going to consider white light, okay, when a ray of white light is passed through a prism, it spread out into what, series of colored bands are called what, spectrum. Okay, that is what definition. Just here in this case I am going to explain things. I am going to consider first point is what, this is a prism, this is what, prism. In this case what happened, this is I am going to consider what, source, this is a light source, what I am going to consider, this is one is what, light source. When this is what, white light, means what, indirectly what we are going to call, this one is what, white light. Okay, white light source we are going to consider. Next, after that in this case this white light is passed through this prism, automatically in this case we are going to get a 7 colored, means what, just here in this case important, white light means not only a single light, that white light containing 7 different color. If 7 different color are there, 100% there is a what, different wavelength and different frequency possible. Every color is having a different wavelength and different frequency, that is most important. Indirectly what we are going to call electromagnetic radiation. Okay, that is also no problem. Just here in this case I am going to draw this diagram for what, spectrum. This white light is fall on this prism, automatically what happen in this case, what, diffraction. When this white light fall on this prism, slightly going to what, bend, slightly going to what, bend. Why this is takes place means, I think you have studied in physics, the most important part is what, that is a ray object. Just here I am going to consider what, here one is there, this is indicate what, object. When white light, just here in this case when white light fall on this, means what, this is called what, a denser medium, this is called what, normal, what we are going to consider, this is called what, air medium, this is indicate what, denser medium. We can say this is a air medium, this is what, a denser medium. What is the meaning of that denser medium, means you have to consider a water, water. When a ray fall on water, automatically the ray is going to what, bend, in this case also same, in this case the ray is fallen like this, automatically it is going to what, bend like this. Okay, next another ray fall on this, automatically it start going to what, bend like this. Okay, in this case also this is what, object is there, when white light is fall on this spectrum, automatically start going to what, bend. Okay, this is most important. Just here in this case start bending. Okay, after that it can spread what, 7 different color. Okay, this is first, second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, like this. Just here in this case important. Okay, after that in this case they are going to put a one photoelectric, means what, photographic plate. In this case what, they are going to put a one photographic plate. With the help of this photographic plate we are going to get a what, 7 different colors. Okay, this is what they are going to call spectrum. This is what they are going to call the spectrum. Just here in this case important part means what, with the help of the photoelectric graph they are going to discover what, which color is possible. Just here in this case all these things is what, visible light only, this white light is indicated what, visible light. Just here in this case what is the general wavelength, 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, this is what in general wavelength between 7 different colors. Okay, in this case 7 different colors means what? I am going to consider what 7 different colors means what, that is indicate what? Vibgyor. Like this is there, no? Okay, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These 7 are what? Different color. If 7 different color means 100% wavelength is also different, frequency is also what? Different. Okay, this is what this color is possible in what? Rainbow, along with just you have to do practically in this case. Just here in this case the important interesting point is there in this case, the most interesting point, and that is what second point is. This is your notes purpose, this is what I am going to explain. Okay, 400 to 700 means what? In this case generally the violet is having a 400 nanometer, and next one is what? This red is having what? 700 nanometer. In this case they are going to ask you very simple question, out of these 7 color which color is having a highest wavelength? Obviously your answer is what? Red color. Which is having a what? Lowest wavelength? The lowest wavelength is what? Violet. Okay, that is most important point. In daily life we are using the very important means what? You know very well about that, in a fair you are going to get a what? Laser light. Okay, the laser light is always a red light. Again question I am going to ask you, why they are going to use a red light? The very simple answer is what? The red light is having a what? Higher wavelength. It can go away from, that is why they are going to use what? Red light. Okay, yellow light is also having a majority of the school buses, you know, the all are what? Yellow in color. Why they are going to use yellow in color? The yellow is visible in a fog. Okay, that is why they are going to use what? Yellow color. All these things completely depends is what? Science. That is why in this case the most important 400 to 700 nanometer, the red light is a most important part in this case because of having a what? Higher wavelength. Okay, that is most important. After that very low wavelength is what? Violet is a very low wavelength. In this case we are going to get a 7 different colors means what? This is indicate what? Spectrum. In this case what happens? This is called what? Diffraction. Diffraction means what? If single light is there, that is going to spread. Here is there no only single light is there, no, this single light when passed through this prism automatically it is going to spread. That is indicate what? Spectrum. That is indicate what? Spectrum. Here is their definition, if you want you can read one more time. When a ray of white light is passed through the prism, it spread out into what? A series of colored bands. Okay, that is indicate what? Spectrum. Colored band means in this case we are going to get a band like this. Okay, band like this means what? One is violet band, next indigo, blue, green, so on. Okay, this is important. Next after that the interesting point means in this case which is having a higher wavelength. Now tell me, out of these 7, red is having what? Higher wavelength. Higher wavelength deviates least, lower wavelength deviates most. Okay, just here in this case points here is there. Okay, this is because the shorter wavelength deviates more. Shorter wavelength means what? Lower wavelength violet is there. Just here in this case this white light is fall on this position, but in this case what happened? This one is indicate what? Red. Red is slightly deviated, but violet is not like that. Violet deviated like this, no, complete what? Deviated. Why like this? Because of the violet is having a what? Lower wavelength deviates most. The red is having a higher wavelength deviates less. Okay, that is why in this case the first line is indicate what? Red. In this case the last is there, no, here is point actually, but this is come like this, no, completely going to what? Deviate. That is why in this case we are going to get a what? 400 nanometer. Here is their point, everything. Red light with a longer wavelength deviated least. After that the violet light with a shorter wavelength deviated the most. Up to this is indicate what? Spectrum. In this case the spectrum again divided into what? Atomic spectrum. Generally this is we are going to call what? Atomic spectrum. I am going to write here only atomic spectrum, or you can say what? Spectra. No problem. Okay, atomic spectra or what? Spectrum. Better you have to write what? Spectrum. Atomic spectrum. Okay, this what I told up to this one is indicate what? Atomic spectrum. Atomic spectrum means in this case the important atomic spectrum is again divided into, one is what? Continuous spectrum, another one is what? Discontinuous spectrum. The next point is what is continuous spectrum and what is the discontinuous spectrum. Just see here. Okay, you know in this case I am going to get a what? Bands like this. Okay, just I am going to show in a what? Different manner, that is very understanding point. Okay, you know color, this is all these are indicate what? 7 colors. In this case what happened? Just see here, You know rainbow means what? The rainbow is having what? 7 colored is there. Okay, just this is I am going to consider what? Bands like this. Okay, the first color in this case. Okay, first I am going to consider what? Violet. Okay, like this. Here is indicate what? This one is indicate what? Violet color. Next, after that, which color is there? That is about indigo color. Okay, this one is what? Indigo. Indigo and violet is almost going to merge. Okay, in this case there is no space. This is indicate what? Indigo. Okay, no problem. Next, after that, the important part is what? That is blue color. Just I am going to draw the what? Blue color. Okay, just this blue color is also going to what? Merge like this. Next, after that, what? Green. The next one is what? Green. Next, after that, what? Yellow. The next one is what? Yellow is also going to merge. Next, after that, what? Orange is there. Next, after that, what? Orange. Orange is also going to what? Merge. Next, after that, what? Red. The another point is what? Indicate red light. Okay. Okay, this is indicate. Just here in this case, violet is merged with what? Indigo. Indigo is merged with what? Blue. Blue is merged with what? Green. Green is merged with what? Yellow. Yellow is orange. Next, orange is merged with what? Red. In this case, there is no space at all. In this case, there is no space at all. In this case, what happened? The continuous absorption takes place. That is why they called as a continuous spectrum. That's why they called as a continuous spectrum. Okay. Continuous spectrum. You know very well about that. The white light is called what? Continuous spectrum, because in white light you are not going to differentiate which color is there. Okay, you are going to look only one color, but that white light is containing what? 7 different colors. All 7 different color is going to what? Merge. Okay, finally we are going to get a like this. That's why the continuous spectrum, very good example for is what? White light. The white light is indicate what? Continuous spectrum. Okay, this is most important, bear in mind. Okay, if atomic spectrum means what? This white light is passed with what? Atoms. Okay, that is indicate what? Atomic spectrum. The most important, this is atomic spectrum or atomic spectra. Okay, in this case what? The continuous. One more point is there, that is what? Discontinuous spectra. Discontinuous means, you know, help of this one, discontinuous spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum means in this case what? There is a what? First one is what? Indigo, violet is there. Next, after that there is a space. There is a what? Space. After that what? Indigo. Next there is a what? Space. After that we are going to get a blue, green, etc. That is indicate what? Discontinuous. Okay, that is what? Most important, discontinuous spectrum. And next one is what? Continuous spectrum. Continuous means what? That is white light is a very good example. Okay, discontinuous means what? There is so many are there, means what? Discontinuous means what? We can say what? One more is the absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. These two example for what? Discontinuous spectrum. The next my point is there, what is that? Absorption spectrum, and next one is what? Emission spectrum. Okay, if you want you can take a screenshot. I will start next point. Okay. Okay friends, the next one is what? The atomic spectra is divided into what? How many types? 2 types. The one is what? Absorption spectra. The second one is what? Emission spectra. Okay, just here the first one is what? Absorption spectra. This is also most important. They are going to ask you one mass question. What is absorption spectra? I am going to explain right now. Okay, just here in this case also I am going to consider a source. This one is indicate what? Light source. This is indicate what? Source, light source. After that, when this light source is fall on this vapor means in this case it is look like a what? Substances. We can say what? Substances. Next, after that, when the white light is fall on the substances, after what? I am going to put a one more, that is called prism. I am going to put a what? Prism. When this substances absorb some light means what? In this case you know very well about that the white light is having a what? 7 different colored. Okay, in this case what happen? After that is absorption takes place. Okay, finally I am going to get only 3 colors. Just here in this case 1, 2, 3. Okay, with the help of photographic plate I am going to get a what? 3 different color. You know very well about that 7 colors are there. That is indicate what? VIBGYOR, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow. Next one is what? Orange. After that what? Yellow. Okay. in this case, okay, totally 7 color are there, but finally I am going to get only 3 color. One is what violet, another one is what blue, after that I am going to get a what orange. Okay, 7 colors, out of these 7 color 3 colors I am going to get, but remaining color in this case what happen, the absorption takes place, that is indicate what absorption spectra. Okay, those 3 colors we are going to get a what photographic plate. But remaining color, the remaining color means, just see here, in this case I am going to consider this is what spectrum, means in this case what first I am going to get a like this. Okay, this is what first one, next in this case what this is the second one, next this one is what third one. But in this case space is there, no, this space is indicate what dark space. Okay, this is indicate what dark space. This dark space means what, in this case color is there, but that is not a visible color. Okay, but only in this case what visible color is what 3, one is violet, indigo, next one is what orange, but remaining are there. Next remaining means what, indigo is there, next one green is there, next one is yellow, next one is what red. These 4 colors in this case what not visible, because in this case what absorption takes place with the help of what substances. Okay, this one is indicate what absorption spectra. Here definition is there, when a beam of radiation is passed through a sample, it absorb radiation of what certain wavelength. You know very well about that, every light is having a what different wavelength, and next one is what different frequency. Okay, that is what depend on what source or a substance. Next in the next means in this case what the missing wavelength which corresponds to the what radiation absorbed by the what matter, the leaves dark space. Here is there no word dark space, means what, that is indicate what bright continuous spectrum. In this case we are going to call what bright continuous spectrum. Okay, that is what most important part. Okay, the next one is what emission spectrum. Just here in this case emission spectrum means directly I am going to what take what substances. Here is there, if you want to more explanation means what, this one is indicate what nucleus, the means what, in this case the electron revolving around the nucleus. Okay, this is very simple. When in this case what happen, here is electron present in the what first orbit, I am going to supply some amount of energy on electron, it can move from what lower energy to higher energy. This is what very simple. When it move from lower energy to higher energy, when absorb radiation, when absorb some amount of radiation or some amount of energy, then only it can move from what lower energy to higher energy. That is indicate what absorption. Means one more important part is in this case what higher energy is having a what unstable. Higher energy is having a what unstable, but lower energy is having a what stable. The electron not a stable in what higher energy, it can come down to what lower energy. Okay, that is what most important basic concept. Okay, with the help of this one, we are going to discuss about what at emission spectrum. Just I am going to consider this is called what substances or a matter, we can say. This is indicate what substances. This substances is already absorbed what some radiations. Okay, after that this substances opposite I am going to put a what one prism. These substances start emission of radiation. These substances start what emission of radiation. This radiation fall on the what prism. Prism is going to what give a different color. Means what, in this case what I am going to put a one photographic plate. Okay, in that photographic plate I am going to get a color. Just here in this case what violet, blue, orange is there, but in this case I am going to get a what, that is what dark line is there, no, dark line is having a what light. In this case I am going to get a what indigo. The next I am going to get a what green. In this case I am going to get a yellow. Next after that a red. I am going to get a what remaining 4 color. Okay, in this case with the help of what this substances are matter. Okay, this matter is already absorbed what some radiations, that is I am going to use. In this case I am not going to use the source of light here. Okay, these substances start what emission of radiations. Those radiations fall on a prism, the prism is going to give a what different color, that is what 4 color. This 4 color is what already absorbed in a what this is what absorption spectra, but in this case what happen, after emission I am going to get a remaining color. This is indicate what emission spectrum. According to definition, the spectrum of the radiation emitted by a substances that has what absorbed energy. Means you know very well about that this higher energy is unstable, it can come what, it can come to what it original position. Means original position means what lower energy, it start what emission of electromagnetic radiation, means what? Emission of what? Radiation. These radiations pass through what? Prism. After that I am going to get a what? This remaining dark spotlight color. Okay. This is indicate what? Emission spectra. In examination they are going to ask you what? Definition of atomic spectra and emission spectra, make it perfect. Okay. Up to this what? Spectrum means what? Atomic spectra is completed. The next one is there what? That is what? Line spectrum or a hydrogen spectrum. That point we will study next video. Thank you.